Okay, few days ago, I published a video here. That video has to do with Akparawa's video where he talked about what Biafrans need to learn from Boko Haram. And in that video, he was trying to point out the togetherness and the how Boko Haram and Fulani people team up and team up to achieve what they think or what they consider to be for their own good. He tried to highlight the togetherness of Boko Haram and banditry, ISWAP, ISIS, name them. Is it Rukawaka or whatever they call it? Because there's a lot of, I can't even count the name of what they call it, terrorism in the north. So the groups are so many. And he was trying to tell Biafrans or every neighbor that cared to know that it's good for you to team up together and do what you want to do as long as your goal is to achieve one thing that everybody wants to achieve. And in that video, he was trying to blame USB. And in his own words, they are the breakaway group, which I've told us that that's a lie from pit of hell. In fact, we are not going to go through that again. I just want to refresh your memory based on what he said in the past. Now we are gonna report or gonna make this video based on what our brother Drake said here, and that I believe that's from the because I think this quote or this write up is from CS, and I find out that Akparawa and their group have something to say on attempt to counter what they're going to hear here from this write up. Now before then, please let me encourage you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Try your best to support us in any way you can. Now, let's go straight to the program. Breaking all the 40 states, county, district commanders keep on the great mobilization and readiness in USB Army. All state governors with any of their men in DSS dungeon must rally around the state citizens, contribute money, and bail every innocent Biafran in DSS custody. USB is a sovereign nation and must protect its citizens from foreign Nigerian invaders. Thanks, Dr. Ngozo Rabeze, COS DPM, United States of Biafra. So this write-up, all right, triggered Akparawas and their camp. They started making, they are good in making blind argument, which we are going to, see that. But before then, let us watch the video of Biafra Liberation Army. All right, these are commanders under USB, United States of Biafra. This is their picture, and you will hear, the preaching and the message that they delivered here before we go through the Never Do Well camp, how they're trying to counter this video and trying to say what they think. Now let's go there. Just pay attention. Okay.
All hail Biafra. Biafra will hail you. Yes. As I'm going to interview one of our commander here, our commander will greet you. We salute you. Speak to your people, Biafran, diaspora and homeland. To tell them how you are prepared. These are your men, and many men are coming. We have many units, many places, and many men are ready to join for defending of our homeland, Biafran states, USB. All hail Biafra. Biafra will hail you. All hail Biafra. Biafra will hail you. Rugged. Rugged.
Afternoon, all.
No
retreat.
No surrender.
No retreat.
No surrender.
No retreat.
No surrender.
Who say Biafra? Who say men no day?
Men day.
Who say men no full ground?
Men full ground.
Who say men no want do something?
Men want do something.
We get now.
Regel heart.
Somebody. I want to greet every of my people from Mazinam Dekano, our leader, Ahmadike One, Biafra land. And also my greeting goes to Mazi Simon Ebe, Machireke Adama. May heaven look on you. And also greeting our PDM, Ngozora Beze. May your good job continue in our land. May Adama protect you and guide you. Forget about all necessary of what the people are asking. But you and the us will deliver our land from the hand of the enemy. Any force zoo, any force police, animals in the kingdom. Monday sit at home. You must respect our honor and our day for the reason of Martin and If you don't do so, if you cross, you die. Don't cross. That is what you need to do. Do you? Woto.
We collect.
Woto.
We go collect.
Woto. So I'm here now to address my people. See us here. We are here to tell Nigeria government that we are ready for prepare for them. May you see say and they release our able leader, Mazin Namdekan. If not so, everywhere in zoo must shut down. That is my message for you. We are the gallant men, holy mountain, who want to go collect the man. Will join us very soon. Men are guaranteed food. So we are full everywhere. We are as you see us, we are one by one and they are the sins in our leads. May Chukwu bless us and bless Ikemba State. Bless all everybody working Jesus to reduce Biafra land. May Chukwu bless us in the name of Chukwu. We pray.
All hail Biafra.
Biafra will help you.
All hail Biafra.
Biafra will help you.
We are about to show the world what we have. This is our gallant men, the men of Ikemba State, United States of Biafra, homeland, no mercy. We are merciless mercy. Only people who knows what is on the ground should avoid us. Avoid us. Every Monday sit at home, stay at your home, respect that order. It is not carnal. We will fight till we get our freedom, till the end of our freedom. We all live to enjoy and celebrate our freedom. In Chukwu Kikabiama's name we pray. As you can see, this is Obizi men. We are in our camp. We must defend our motherland. All Obizi in Ikemba State. We are about to move to sanitize our land, to be resolute, undefendable. We must defend our Biafra. Undefeatable. We must defeat every idiot, every stupid Nigerian zoo military kidnappers that are killing our people. From now henceforth, men are on duty. Be conscious of what we are doing or what you are saying, because we may come for you. If you say yeah, we collect woto. Thank you. As we are about to move our camp, we are going back our camp where we base. May we all live to celebrate Biafra in the name of Chukwu Kikabiama.
Okay, that is it. And here is some pictures, all right, from Ikemba. Here is the pictures from Ikemba. Now, this is what we have from Ikemba, and the update is very, very clear. Like the message is very, very clear. Now, let's go to Akparawa and their group trying to counter what I just showed to you now from office of DPM COS Dr. Ngozora Beze. And when you come down here, so now, but remember what I told you about the video that you made a few days ago. Remember, don't forget that, okay? Speaking of how to, everybody should put hands on, put, their own hands in support of what is going on, what they want to achieve, and then that kind of thing. But that is what I call, you know, saying one thing and doing a different thing. You cannot even do what you are preaching. He started by saying that, oh, if you consider a person and a group who choose to do something, do you think I will be here to condemn that? Undermining the reason why Biafra was declared and the purpose. It is not that it's not by an accident. It was well planned. Now he said, after Honorable Fulani hands you over to DSS, she will now call poor people, poor Biafrans in homeland to contribute money to bail you. Now, this is the write-up. We have gone through this write-up, right? And he circled it. Let us read that part he circled. All state governors with any of their men in DSS dungeon must rally around the state citizens, contribute money, and bail every innocent Biafrans in DSS custody. Now, down here he said, what a shame. Then here, in this another write-up, right? And Nigerian DSS hereby giving you, that's CS giving warning. I tell them to, they have to do everything to release Biafran citizens in their
All hail
custody.
Biafra.
So these people see that as a thing of mockery. I don't understand. Is it when you allow people in the DSS to languish there, to remain there without anybody coming for them? Is that what you need to do for you not to be, attacked, shameful, or anything at all? I don't get it. I don't get it. Now, let us continue. It says, so Biafrans in homeland will contribute money to bail Ndoka Ebele you handed to DSS. See how evil you are. You can't not even bail them yourself. Survivor whistle did not work. Now, this is from the same group. Now, my question is, are you not the same person that said people like we want to that we should learn something from Boko Haram, minding their business? Everybody should go and do what. Are you not with the same person anymore? So the thing is that you cannot even move with that USB. That's just because for you guys to keep on looking back, it simply means that you cannot do anything without dragging USB to your menace. Because you want to, this your mess, you want to call people to help you to do something when you know that they don't support what, and they don't support what they're doing. The question is, you ask yourself, why is it that people are running away from this your fallback? Why? Have you asked yourself that question? Have you tried to see if you can make some amendment, adjustment, to see if people will somehow begin to see you as a reliable group? I don't think you do, because you understand the reason why people want, their freedom, and people want you to stay away from anything Biafra. Now let us go to the comment of people, because I know they will have some people that would like to say something, say one or two things. Akparawa, Akpamo, kiss the bucket. This is from Dr. Sawario, Daddy, and another person here says something. He said, "You never tire. You are becoming you are becoming irrelevant by day. If you can see how slowly una fall back gimmick is going down by gossip, then none of you are smart as I thought. Show us new video of BLA, if not old ones. No new Congress visit by una APM Mumu. If not old, una don cast. Let me expand it more. air don dey blow chicken, yansh don dey open. That is from Gozie. Now, another person here says, so sorry for Orabo Gongoro Fulani, the Georgia psychiatric criminal, and her Alamajiri ignorant moronic bingos. They say, no, do Igbo. You see, any Shaketa now, what is meaning? Nothing. This is how they fight their own freedom. Oh. Satanic Orabo Gongoro. That is how they fight their own freedom. Nothing more. Threatening people out of frustration. Now, look at this one. This one says sacrificial lamb or for agent of darkness, Madam pipe very low, Madam pipe very low. Ngozi Orabo, of course, so Orabo is okay. You not say why you do not ask Fulani. You are still you are maybe you are a learner. And Ngozi Orabeze is a forbidden fruit for Biafran people. Okay, now, ndị ike gwụ always trying to, and this is their leader was few days ago pretending that they are focused, focus and achieve, since the goal is freedom. Whatever you are doing, as long as it's for freedom, that I'm not going to attack you. Okay, so what are you doing differently? I mean, show us how you focus in getting that freedom that you say you want to get. So with that, Biafran's USB government, you can't even do that you promise that you want to do, that you are the only one that know how to do it. I always want to refer us back to PM when the whole world was against him. He was able to focus because he already know where he's going. But you see, people pretend that they're going to lead you to somewhere they think you are going, whereas they can't even get away without you pushing them or showing them the way. Who is actually leading who here? Because if you're a leader like you claim, you should be focused on what you say that you are going to give Biafrans. Then Biafran will not see how you are moving and follow you. But for the fact that you are stagnant and looking for Biafran to come before you move, simply means that you don't know road. You get the point? Leave Orabo Fulani alone. It is clear now she is not working with BLA. You that claim that be working with BLA, post current video clip of BLA, not always, not all those old video. That is what Biafrans want to see, and they will support you. No need to took much time. No need to talk much. Actually, not it should be talk, not took. Okay, no need of too much talk. Okay, I got it. Stop all this DOS time. You sound like you are following us, so because we are the one connecting the dot with GS and these people. It is you cannot beat it. Now another person said here, look at them fall back and chatter group, criminal everywhere. A Briggy, a BLA, a casted. Look at it. But if another person post this thing, oh, they will come after you. Now read this one. We are not going to read all the comments. I just want you to see how Biafrans are throwing their own opinion on that. Akparawa Sonny, is it not the same poor Biafran that you often collect money from in the name of fundraising? God bless you. I don't want to say that because they will say, oh, you're attacking fundraising. You see, somebody somewhere is connecting dots. You are using one finger to point at another while the rest four is pointing at you. In that phone, you hear somebody, I am calling from Alud. I am donating to 2,000 AJ. I am calling from Ika State. I am donating with the 5,000 AJ, which is good. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying you should not donate. But for him, the so-called information minister, boldly criticizing people, he cannot even bear them. Okay, have you stopped taking money from that poor people? This is how criminal-minded they are. They will be at the one. That's why they can never ever survive in the midst of Biafra, because Biafrans are very, very, very intelligent and they're connecting dots every now and then. You cannot just ignore that. Okay, so this just understand my statement. I'm not saying you should not pay money to anybody who want to pay money. It's up to you. But my own is to let you know that this road go this way, the other road go this one. The final choice is yours. So my people, tell me what you think about this. I just want to share this video with you because everything Biafran USB do, so now Akparawa and their camp always trying to counter that. If not, you may say, oh, if you only Sana Akparawa said this and not an, okay, let me show you this so that you understand. I wanted to show you their some of their media platforms, especially the so-called the official handle of their fallback. But I noticed that when I'm no longer following them. I got notification before this broadcast before recording the video, but I cannot look at it now. If you check some of their handle, you will see them sharing the same message here. All right, but I thought I shared it, but I noticed that it's no longer there. If you check them, you will see it. All of them. The Standard Battle is not the only one sharing this message. Many of the so-called media, account and what have you, are saying the same thing. So Sunday is not alone because they always have this pattern of bringing one propaganda and circulate it at a go. That's what they're doing. So, my people, please tell me what you think about all we've discussed so far, and make sure you like the video. Very, very important. What is your take on this issue? What do you take? Because USB have actually displayed, their army. USB government have shown the army USB army in one state alone. Just few of them. Said, remember when PM rather made a publication of the Biafra Liberation Army, then, and yeah, what is the name of these people? The DOS people. They were busy. Oh, you are seeing only five people. Ha 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 ha. Only five people. Ha ha ha. I know the fallback will be saying the same thing, or maybe they have learned their lesson anyway. So tell me what you think about it, and God bless you. Please like the video, very, very important, and put your comment. I will be checking your comment. I would like to read from you. God bless you all, and bye bye for now. Take care.